Back on my feet. Understanding an English idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, back on my feet. This is a common idiomatic expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase is all about. Back on my feet is an idiomatic expression that means recovering from a difficult or challenging situation, especially financial or health problems. The word, back, suggests a return to a normal or good condition, while feet symbolizes stability or independence. It's often used when someone has overcome troubles and is ready to start progressing again in their life. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After months of unemployment, I finally got a new job and I'm getting back on my feet. 2. She's been sick for a while, but now she's back on her feet and returning to work. 3. Following the financial crisis, it took a long time for the company to get back on its feet. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing recovery and returning to a state of normalcy. It's important to note that back on my feet should not be confused with physical standing or walking. It's metaphorical, referring to recovering from non-physical difficulties. Using this phrase in the right context is crucial to ensure clear communication. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, back on my feet. It's a great example of how English uses physical actions to describe abstract situations. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and really helps in sounding more like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.